Hello and welcome back. Our next tutorial is going to be on how to work in the forums module. What you do is go to forums, and so you want to weigh in on some of the subjects that are in the forum section. And again, this is our demo site, so it won't have a whole lot there. As a matter of fact, we only have one posting there. But what you would do is you would come to the forums page again, based upon where the community owner put the forums. You'll find it there. You'll find it, and then go to it and click, and you'll come here. Again, you won't see this because I'm the admin of this community, so you won't see this. But this is the main page where it's here. You can search on the various subjects based upon the title. You're able to share this on the RSS feed for those that are a little bit more website for, understanding how websites work and using RSS feeds. And then this you can, on this button, you can add this to the favorites, which you'll find over here in the account info area. What you do is click on the subject, and then as you see there, it opens up this subject here. So what you can do is, based upon this subject, you can start a new topic within this subject. So when it opens up, then you will put the subject there, and then you will place the information there. Let's do it we'll do test 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna copy and paste it into the body of the topic. Then you'll just put it there. And if you want to receive an email when somebody replies, you have the option of clicking it here. By default, it'll be pressed. But if you don't want it, I suggest you do, so that way you can correspond. If there is an attachment of some kind, it's a form or a article or something that you want a picture or something like that that goes along with the topic at hand, that you're able to add an attachment to it, then you simply click save. Now that it's saved, let's look at let's go back here to main. Oh no, okay, yeah. Anyway, let's go to, here's test 1, 2, 3. And there it is. So if you want to compose a message to send a message to someone back, you can view the profile. Actually, matter of fact, this is your profile. So they can see your profile, and then user info. So that way that's also the information on the user. You can post a reply. You can start a new subject, a new topic, or you can go backwards. You can do the same thing up here. The basic information of the author, we're just using a little icon there. I'm the user, that's my username. The thread that we're operating under in the forums. And you can have some fun with that, because you can weigh in on some great subjects, or you can also go to the, if you want to, if maybe there's a subject out there that you want to address in the forum section, you can contact the community owner and let them know that, hey, by the way, can we add this as a new topic or a new category for the forum section. This is how you add a new topic and post a reply. Thank you, and this is the forum section.